The next demo is by Pritesh Tiwari. It's called Rewriting the Playbook of Insurance, taking AI from experimentation to enterprise outcomes. Pritesh Tiwari is founder and chief data scientist at DSW. He has he has experience of building deep tech ventures in the past, has been around in industry for 10 years. Uh, and he has been he is a passionate and advocates democratizing AI. Pritesh is also a guest lecturer, author, and a mentor. Over to you, Pritesh.
Hello, everyone. Very good evening. Well, thank you so much for joining today. And I'll quickly start with our presentation. The name of our company is Data Science Wizards. So name itself says that what exactly we do. We are a data science AI company. It's a company like by the data scientists for the data scientists of the world. We are building it in India for the world. It is a platform that helps basically the data scientists, AI engineers, Gen AI engineers to build, optimize, automate, and orchestrate the AI agents in production. Everything, the end-to-end life cycle can be done on the same platform itself. I'll walk you through with some slides that will give you the glimpse of what exactly the platform is about. And then I'm joined by my colleague Shivam, and we are together going to do you the live demonstration of the platform. So sorry, we didn't know that we were supposed to record the demonstration. So we thought we'll do it live along with all of you. Yep. So that's Unify AI. Firstly, like the entire platform, what we have is platform agnostic, or I would say the cloud agnostic as well. Like you can install it on any of the hyperscalers, like think of AWS, GCP, or Microsoft Azure. And best of the part is we are also hybrid. That means you can also install the platform on premises. We are working with some of the largest life insurance and health insurance companies in India and in abroad as well. And one of the best feature of our platform that you can install it on premises and you can build all your AI and agentic AI use cases. So Unify AI sits on top of your infrastructure, and Unify AI, using the Unify AI platform, you can build your AI and machine learning use cases. I'll show you how can you do that, like similar to software development lifecycle. When you think of any machine learning development lifecycle or an AI development lifecycle, there are too many moving components into it. Like think of data engineering, think of machine learning model building, think of deployment, think of monitoring, retraining, orchestrating. Lots of things are there in the entire life cycle of AI. What we are doing is we are encapsulating that entire life cycle in a single platform. So you don't need to be bothered about multiple tools and technologies. You don't need to be doing the integration of all those tools, like integrating your data engineering pipeline with your model building pipeline, your model building pipeline with your deployment pipeline, deployment with your retraining, optimizations, and visualizations. Everything can work together so that your entire life cycle of building and shipping the AI solutions and product can be reduced. And this is what our insurance customers are saying, that you can build this journey, you can go live in production from day one to just 3 to 4 weeks. And we are also taking our customers for the agentic AI use cases live in production within a week that we have done it. So after Unify AI, we have agentic AI platform. Like Unify AI helps you build your machine learning and AI models. Agentic AI platform helps you build your agentic AI use cases on the platform what we have. And similar to Unify AI, in order to make or ship any agents, you can think of lots of moving components again, like which LLM to choose, what is the right orchestration method, what is the right indexing method, how do I do the chunking of my data, what is the embedding technique, what embedding database I should have, and various others. And then finally you integrate all of them together and then make one single agent. What we have done with the help of our agentic AI platform is you can just decide all this component on the front end itself, and the platform has integrated the entire process, so you can start building your agents from the day one. So on top of Unify AI and Agentic AI platform, what we have done is we have a solution called Insure AINs. It is vertical specific, or I would say insurance specific solution that has been implemented on top of our Unify AI and Agentic AI platform. So we come up with 300 different AI agents only for the insurance industry. You can think of 20 to 25 different agents working for the underwriting, 25 to 30 different agents for claims, and then for sales, for underwriting, various other departments have their specific agent. You can just choose agent which you want to work, and then you can start using it. Once it has been deployed, it is also available in the form of API. You can integrate it, or you can directly use the platform from the front end. Another part is you can create your own agent. So during the demonstration, what we'll do today is we will create one agent live in front of you. So you can see that the entire journey of making any AI agent for any use case, for any department, it can be so seamless and so easy, because all the technical components in the backend has been taken care by the platform. So you just take care of your needs on the front end part. Rest everything will be taken care by the platform. These are some of the use cases what we are doing or what we have done with some of our insurances that I have talked about, whether it is in life insurance space or healthcare space as well. These are the regions where we are focused, some partnerships what we have done, and our existing customers. And after this, we'll directly jump on to the demonstration. Last 5 minutes, I will keep it for any questions if you have, or any specific information about any agent building. If you need it, we can do it and show you live on the platform. Great. So yeah, this is the login screen. So once you log into our platform, you will see the journey, whether to choose for, you want to go for building machine learning or AI use case, you decide that. So first you will start with Unify AI platform. So let me log in. Yeah, so once you log in, you either choose Unify AI or you choose Agentic AI platform. The moment you choose Unify AI, it will help you build your machine learning models, AI use cases for the specific use cases which you have in place. Secondly, once you click on Agentic AI, the Agentic AI journey starts that I was talking about in my previous slide. And from there, we'll be able to see that how exactly you can create the agent. Today, I will click on Agentic AI. I will show you if you want to create an AI agent right from scratch, shipping into the production, how exactly that journey is, what are the different technical components which are there in the background of making AI agent, and how we have integrated and encapsulated that entire journey so that the making of agent can become very much easy for you at the end. So this is the dashboard screen that once the platform is running in production, you can see that total number of use cases which are running in production. You can also see the total number of agents which are live. You can see that what is the data quality score, total number of tables, data sources, total number of records that have been processed. So as a data scientist, somebody who is working on various use cases, either to create machine learning use case or to create some agents, I want to have the holistic view of the total use cases that I have worked upon. So the first screen gives you that confidence and gives you that visualization. Right after that, we have the data engineering piece. So whether it is agentic AI or AI journey or machine learning journey, the first step is very much important. The first step is of collecting all the data from different types of sources. We have spent a lot of time in making sure that we can collect the data from different types of sources. You think of any enterprise databases in today's type, like think of MongoDB, MS SQL, MySQL, PostgreSQL, data coming through some data lakes like Snowflake, Databricks, APIs, flat files, Parquet files. We can ingest the data from all of these different varieties of sources. We just don't ingest them. All your ETL capability that needs to be added on top of that data can also be done with the help of our data engineering piece. Shivam, can you just show an example? So we'll show you an example of a relational database. Just before that, I'll show you the moment you start that, what are the different data sources you can select. So you can think of more than 400 different data sources which are available. What do I mean by that is, if you are using any of this database in your organization, the entire data engineering pipeline can be set up within 30 minutes. Your source, your destination, your ETL capabilities. When I say ETL capabilities, you can write your transformation logic. If you have already written your transformation logic, you can just upload it. It will be able to adhere it. You can write it in again in different programming languages, like you can write in Python, you can write in JavaScript, you can write in PHP. Any other programming languages are also available in case if you want a customized transformation logic. So once you do that, the next journey is of course to create either the machine learning model or the agentic AI agents as well. I'm going to show you the agents as well, but we have some time. So even for the machine learning, just to give you an example, if you want to create a machine learning model, the platform itself creates machine learning model. You are not supposed to create. It chooses the best 8 to 10 different machine learning model which is suitable to your use case, suitable to your data, and as well as the scenario that needs to hit in production. Basis on that, it will run certain simulation, and whichever simulation is closest to the reality, or basically whatever evaluation metric we have chosen, it will take that scenario, take that simulation and put that in production for you. Basis on that, you can optimize it much more further if you need it. For creating AI agents, I will show you right away how exactly you can do it. So you can just click on our Agentic AI Studio, just go to creating new agents. Just click on agents. So for creating agents, as I just gave you an example, if you want to make one agent today, a lot of us are learning about agentic AI, hearing about agentic AI use case, agents, but what exactly they are? Agents are nothing but, it's basically a result of multiple processes which you are running on different multiple tools. Like you need to decide which large language model you want to use, what is the memory method I am going to make use of, what are the different tools which are available, what is the optimization method, what is my reasoning method. So these are the different moving components which are available in the process of any agentic AI journey. What we have done is we have encapsulated again that entire journey in our agentic AI platform. So if you want to create any agents, you can do it right from the front end itself, because all these components that I have talked about is available here. So if you are a data scientist, or let's say if you are an underwriter or somebody from claims, somebody from sales, you can just create these use cases right from the platform itself, run the simulations of it, test the performance, and then finally take it into the production. I'll create one simple use case which we are doing for multiple life insurance and health insurance company, and the name of the use case is Sales AI Assistant. Like for example, if I am a field level sales and I'm doing sales for a life insurance company, I'm supposed to know more than 100 different products of insurance, which is humanly, I wouldn't say that not possible, but it's very difficult for me to remember all those policy details before I go next and speak to my customer. What we have done is we have created an AI agent assistant for that field level sales, where before they meet to their customer, they can just say that, hey, I am meeting Pritesh, X years old, male, living in Mumbai, XYZ details. What are the best recommendation policies which I should use in order to pitch product? Not just that, basis on the age and basis on the personification of Pritesh, it will recommend certain keywords, recommend certain features out of those products that can be pitch to Pritesh so that he will definitely buy that product. So we are adding multiple things like personification, think of recommendation engine, think of the summarizing of those policies, think of adding the reasoning behind that why a person like Pritesh should buy this kind of a policy. All those, for each of this, there are multiple agents which are running in the background. All those agents are communicating to each other so that finally you see the outcome. But in order to see the outcome, there are lots of technical details which are running. One agent is used for something else, then you have second agent, you have third agent, you have fourth agent. You need an orchestrator that makes sure that all the agents are talking to each other and finally delivering you the results that you want. So that is something what we are doing on our platform. I will show you that now. So you just select your agent name. Our name of the agent is Sales AI Assistant. Description we have given that it helps field level sales agent to recommend and pitch a product. Second thing is you need to give any prompt. not everybody is well versed with prompt engineering, we know that. So what we have done is, we have created another AI agent that helps you build the right prompt which is needed in order to create an agent. Because agents are built with the prompt, but not everybody can do the prompt engineering. Hence, our platform's agent helps you do the right prompt engineering itself. You just write in plain English what you want to do, give it to the agent, because it understands the context, it understands the reasoning. Basis on the combination of both of that, it will create that specific prompt, and hence it will be given to the agent in order to create that specific agent. So here, my colleague is writing that create a prompt for sales AI assistant agent that helps field level sales agent in life insurance to recommend and pitch a product. It's a plain English, you can just write that. Once it has been done, it will create a sophisticated prompt for you. That prompt will be now given ahead to the agent in order to create it. So depending upon what model you have used, we are supporting different varieties of models, because when we are working with insurance, we have seen that they don't want to stick for one single LLM, they want the varieties of multiple LLM. In our platform, you can choose which LLM you want to work with, you can choose the right method as well of choosing those LLM, because not each and every agent can be created with the help of same LLM. There are different varieties of LLM that is kind of unsuitable for different varieties of agents as well. That also our platform helps you decide. So once you have done that, you can choose your LLM which you want to do. Not just that, you can do various settings like what is the temperature of the LLM that I'm going to choose, or the agent that I'm going to create. You can also choose the maximum number of tokens, the penalties it will have. So these are the back-end nitty-gritties that I was talking about, that creating agent is not just calling an API from the LLM. There is a lot of engineering which is happening behind, and these are those components of those engineering which is exactly happening in the background that make sure that the agents which you are creating and shipping are the optimized agents, and it will actually yield the results in production. So we go ahead with that. You can also select the number of tools. Tools are like the kind of armors as an agents will have. It can do the web search, it can call the database, it can go and hit the API, it can go and write an email. So whatever number of tools, capabilities you can give to your agent, the more sophisticated it can be. So once you have given the web search, calculator, file reader kind of an capabilities, it have those tools. Then second thing is knowledge base. All of you have heard about RAG, right? RAG, RAG. We know that it helps you add those context of your organization or your data to this specific model. Using this knowledge base, you can upload your company manuals, product brochures, and product related information to make sure that your AI agent is understanding it. After that, we have memory, which is the most important thing, because the moment you are creating any AI agent, it needs to hold certain memory. Now that memory can be agent level memory, it can be your chat level memory, or it's session level memory, or it can be organizational level memory as well. So depending upon what kind of agent you want to create, you can decide from the front end itself and can provide all those information from here. Once it has been done, you can set the guardrails. We have different varieties of guardrails. We are ISO SOC 2, ISO 27001 certified, SOC 2 certified, HIPAA certified, GDPR level certified. So what we do, all those compliances have been feeded. Now every outcome of the agent which is coming is adhering to all these policies and the certifications that I have talked about. Once it has been done, you can do the fine tuning and tagging. Finally, you can do the testing of the agent that we have created. Now we created one agent in front of you. We will just click on create and test that specific use case. Here I am saying that hi. Okay, there was some API real-time glitches. We can again go back and choose another LLM as well, because there are multiple LLMs which are running behind. We have 4 to 5 different LLMs that helps you give the outcome. But anyways, I'll tell you what it does. So the moment we have implemented this agent, you click on test, you try to do the conversation with it, and it will kind of give you the response for which it has been created. Like you will ask that, okay, I'm going to meet a person called XYZ. These are his details. What are the different policies I should recommend him so that he would buy? And apart from that, what are the different pitch that I should be using in order to sell those policies? So this is just one type of an agent. Second agent is we are working with the underwriters where they can just upload the document of customer. It will tell them what document they should ask, whether it should need more medical test or not. We are working with the claims team as well. We are working with the HR team, operations team. Different varieties of agents can be created depending upon the use case. The idea over here is it's not just one single use case we are offering to the insurer, we are offering the entire platform where you can think of your AI use case and anything and everything which is needed in order to create those AI agents or those AI use cases can be implemented on our platform. So yep, that's it. I think apart from this, there are certain other things like you can do the visualizations, you can do the real-time monitoring, how those agents look like, whether it perform the way it should be performing or not, is there any underperformance thing so that I can go and do the fine-tuning and stuff. So all those things like right from data engineering till the time you are doing your monitoring and optimization of the use cases, everything can be done from the platform itself. And the name of the platform is Unify AI, and for the Agentic AI, we have Agentic AI platform. That's it from my side. Thank you so much. If there are any questions, please let me know. I'm here. I can answer it now or I'll be on the floor. You can come and you can ask the questions.